Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the current YouTube app version and backing up your account settings. This prevents lost preferences. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so you can sideload safely. Next, download the older APK you intend to install from a trusted source. Avoid obscure files. Make sure to note whether the APK is split or bundle. These preparatory steps set the stage for uninstalling updates without breaking app data or account links. You now remove the update from the system app using settings right arrow apps right arrow YouTube and choose uninstall updates. This reverts the package to factory. If that fails, connect to a PC and use a DB install rpath/to/older app to replace the package. Alternatively, sideload with a reputable APK installer on device. After installation, immediately disable Auto Update for YouTube in the Play Store and consider turning off Play Protect for that package to prevent automatic re-updating. You finish by clearing cache and maybe data if the downgraded app behaves oddly, then re-log in to re-establish subscriptions and watch history. If the APK won't install due to signature mismatches, you must either obtain a matching signed build or, if comfortable, use root tools to remove the system APK before installing. Make sure the APK matches your Android version. If anything goes wrong, restore your backup or reinstall the official update as a safe fallback. Keeping one backup APK saves time and risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.